Hello, this is Coach Samantha, and if you are interested in starting your YouTube journey and then you do not even have an idea on how to create a YouTube channel, this video is for you. It is just a couple of steps, so I will be walking you through to show you how to do that right away. Then the second set of people that this video is actually for is if you have interest in owning more than a YouTube channel, like you need up to 2, 3, 4 or more YouTube channels. This video too is gonna show you how to switch your channels, because of course I am actually gonna be using my Google account that I already have my account working. Yes, I'll be using that particular that particular Google account so I could switch over. Do you understand? So I'll be showing you how to switch over to create new channels for yourself. So if you have intention of running multiple channels, maybe one for your how-to, the other one for your faceless channel, or you want to share different content, it is very, very necessary you don't mix things up. Let your channel be known for a particular niche or something. You need to narrow down to a certain niche. So in case you want to own or have different channels, this video too is for you. It's really gonna walk you through on how to do it. So stay with me to my next screen while I show you the steps. They are as simple as possible, but then you need to know how to optimize your channel in order to have the necessary and the expected results that you actually did. Right, so stay with me. Let's get on the next slide. Okay, so guys, let's assume you already have your YouTube app. We'll be using the YouTube app, so let's assume your YouTube app is already on your phone. So you need to click on it. When you open your YouTube app, you're gonna see that your mail, your Gmail, because before you are using a smartphone like this, let's assume you already have a Gmail, a Google account, right? So you'll be seeing that your Google account. This my Google account is S Copper, and you can see here there's no channel linked to it. So you are gonna be seeing the same thing if you are new on YouTube. You do not have a channel yet, but because your device is linked to a Google account, that is why you'll be seeing the name of your Google account registered. Okay, so you see where we have create a channel, you are going to click on it, and then this will open up. Change your photo or take a new one. That is for your profile photo. The name of your Google, if you're not okay with it, you click on this pencil icon and then you set up any name. Take note, if you actually set up a name that another user has used, all right, it's going to indicate it will not accept. Maybe you should add 01, you should add 10, you should add 8, any number to make a difference. Okay, once you are able to create a difference, it is going to accept, and then you click on save. So the handle is now at S Copper. You can see, in case you need to change that, you also have the privilege by clicking on the pencil icon to do that. Remember, this is just a tutorial, so I'll be deleting this channel afterwards. So I'm going to click on create channel. Remember, after creating your channel, that's not all, right? You have to set up the channel. And as you are setting up the channel, you will need to optimize it. Okay, so start watching videos to help us build and all of that. So this is channel. Once you click on that create, the channel is ready and available. So let's go on and check out the channel. Look at view channel, nothing is there yet. The channel is empty, right? So create content on any device. It's telling you that you can start creating content, but you don't need to just start creating content. Instead, you need to edit your channel. And how do you do that? You use, for me, I prefer using Google, right? You use your browser and get on YouTube Studio. I love using YouTube Studio to edit my channel so I could optimize it very well. But in case you want to use your YouTube app, you see the pencil icon here. If you click on it, it is going to open up to where you can add your channel URL is already available. The next one is description of your channel. What's your channel about? You can see this place is very limited. Can you see? Where you have here is your profile picture, right? But here is very limited. So I would advise you don't use here to optimize your channel. So I'm going to be leaving this YouTube app now. Okay, before I leave this YouTube app, remember I said in case you are watching this video to know how you can add an account, add another channel to your existing channel, right? On this same device, I have 3 channels. Now I've created one again. This is making it 4 channels, right? The other 2, I have not yet used them. I was still using them for a purpose of tutorial. Okay, so let me show you what you should do if you want to switch to add another channel. So let us leave the app and go back again. Okay, so we have opened the app. You click on where this icon where you have that's your profile. You click it open, and then you get onto where you have this settings sign, this icon, the settings icon. You click open it. You see where we have switch account. Can you see where we have switch account? If you click on that place, can you see all your mail, all your Gmail will appear here. All these Gmail doesn't have account on them. You can see Anyete Apasiebon, Samantha Okeme, Daniel, Samantha Okeme, all these mail, I have plenty mail because of the things I'm doing online. So you can see that all these mail, they don't have channels on them. But look at the ones that has channel on them. Coach Samantha has channel, Wildlife has, Fashion One Stop has, Learn AI has. Can you see? Now Escopa has added, right? So let's say the Gmail you want to open an account with is already here. You are going to find it here. So just click on any of the mail and it will take you to set up your name, your channel name, and click on create, the same way we did in the beginning. Okay, now let's say the Gmail you would want to use for creating a new channel is not even here. Can you see this plus sign here? You have to click on it. Once you click on that plus sign, let me click to show you what will happen. They will ask you to add a mail, right? I think my network, yeah, that was network issue delaying a little. Verify it's you, okay? If you are using should I say fingerprints just like me, it will require that. So you're going to see where they'll ask you to add a mail. Look at it here. You're supposed to add a mail. If you do not have a mail, you create a new one here. You create a new one here. And then you click on next. So that is it. So let's say you already had your Gmail address. So it will just come up automatically the way I have shown you, right? And then you go ahead and then set up your channel. To create a channel is not difficult. It's as simple as that. So I wanted to leave the app to go over to YouTube Studio to show you something. So click on your favorite browser, which I use Chrome, and then you type in YouTube Studio. You search YouTube Studio, right? You can say YouTube Creator Studio, just YouTube Studio, and you have the full information, which is YouTube Creator Studio. You click open it. Now, remember you're about to go and set up your channel, like you're about to go and optimize your channel, right? So you click open it and then allow it to load. So let's wait for it to load. The channel is up. Can you see this pencil icon by the side? I'm going to zoom it in. So on my YouTube Studio, this is one of my accounts. You can see something is happening. Whereas if you open a new channel, nothing is going to be happening here, right? And I do not want to open a new tab to enter the new channel I just clicked. So, but my concern here is to show you where you click to edit your channel, to optimize your channel. You see this icon here? I don't know if it looks like a pencil with stars around or whatever, but you can see where I'm directing you to. You click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open up customization, channel customization. You can see. So this is your banner image. Remember to set up the one that will appear both on your television, your laptop, and your smartphone. Mine is appearing only on the television screen, alright? So, and I have a reason for doing that for now. And then you set up your profile picture. Remember to select a beautiful profile picture. And then your name, what you want this channel to answer, alright? You set it up, and then the handle. Then you come to description. What is your channel about? Please, I know, yeah, you are smart, but then I'd suggest that you allow ChatGPT to help you so it can optimize your channel description for you. Just write a rough information and give to ChatGPT. Tell it to develop your channel description based on that niche, and should make sure it gives you a well optimized description with SEO. Do you understand? With keywords, right? With proper keywords that will make you searchable. Like when anybody comes on to search for related topics or any information that relate to what your channel is doing, you are going to come up on the search result. Yes, so allow ChatGPT or any other AI tool, maybe DeepSeek or even Meta AI, to assist you in doing that. And then you come up here, you select what your channel should be translated to, maybe French, maybe Spanish, whatever you select, it's fine. When you have channel URL, that one is automatically set up, right, by YouTube itself. That's your channel link. And then there's a place they'll ask you to add a link. You can go and copy your Facebook link and come and paste it here. So before you paste it, they will ask for the link title, which is Let's Connect on Facebook, right? The link title required. So I just wrote Let's Connect on Facebook, which is, everybody knows that the link title is Facebook, all right? And then you drop the link on the URL required. And then the next one is your contact information. This is specifically your Gmail address that is expected. So you drop your Gmail address, ask for someone to be able to reach out to you. So the next one is video watermark, and that's the last one for your channel optimization. That's video watermark, right? I asked ChatGPT to assist me in doing that. So how did I do? I had to copy the specification because there was a specification here when I did not set it up. So I asked ChatGPT to copy I copied this specification, as in the size of that watermark. I gave to ChatGPT. I told it to design a watermark that will appear on all my videos for me. And then it gave me a suggestion of CAs, the abbreviation for my Coach Samantha, for my name, my channel name, Coach Samantha. And then I told it to add subscribe button under it, and it came up with what you are seeing now. So that channel is well optimized and I am done. Guess what? I made a lot of mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes when I started YouTube, right? I did not do proper research before I started. I just went ahead, created a channel. I didn't do nothing, and I know it's going to really cost me a lot to be able to convince the algorithm. I don't want to abandon this channel, though I have created a new one to do the right things from the beginning, all right? But I do not want to abandon this channel because I believe in it, okay? So for you that is starting, I need you to do the right thing from onset. Take these things seriously. If you do not understand the video, you can go ahead and watch again. And then if you are seeing this video, you are not on my YouTube support group, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section, and then I'm going to respond to you. So we link up together, all right? We grow together. So that is that for now. All right, so in case I have missed out anything on, or in case you get stuck at any point, you let me know. So when you are done, there's a place you're going to click on publish. Let me reduce my font. Let me reduce my fonts. Okay, so let's say I have done everything. Let's say I have done everything. Okay, for you, can you see where we have publish here? When you are editing the channel, I just opened it to show you stuff. I did not edit anything. If I had edited anything, this publish would have highlighted for me to click. So because I did not edit anything, I was just showing you something. That is why this place is still offline, right? It would have come up highlighted for me to. So once you are done editing, remember to come here to click on publish. All right, I hope this video helps. So I hope you've subscribed to this channel, you've liked, you've commented. Let's keep connecting, all right? The future is bright. Thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next video.